Good morning to everyone. In the lecture title, Unit 1 Theory of Metal Cutting. Now we can move to first topic, that was Unit 1 Theory of Metal Cutting. Introduction. Metal cutting is the process of producing workpiece by removing unwanted material from a block of metal in the form of chips. The process basically adapted because of following reason. First one, to get a higher surface finish. Second one, to achieve close tolerance. To get complex geometric shapes. Sometimes it may be economical to produce a component by machining process. Metal removal process. What is meant by metal removal process? A family of shaping operations, the common features of which is removal of material from a starting work part, so the remaining part has desired geometry. Some other form of working process in metal removal process: machining, abrasive process, non-traditional process. Machining, material removal by a sharp cutting tool. Example, turning, milling, drilling. Abrasive process, material removed by hard abrasive particles. Example, grinding machine. Non-traditional process, various energy forms other than sharp cutting tool to remove material. That's called non-traditional process. Okay. Material removal, produce a desired shape by removing segment from an initially oversized piece, often been referred to as machining. Classification. That's now material removal process is classification in three types: conventional machining, abrasive process, non-traditional machining. First one, conventional machining, that subdivided in turning and related operation, drilling and related operation, milling, other machining operation. Second topic, abrasive process, grinding process, other abrasive process. Non-traditional process, mechanical energy process, electrochemical process, thermal energy process, chemical machining. Okay. Another one, first we have discussed about the machining. Machining, cutting action involve shear deformation of work material to form a chip. That's called machining. As chip is removed, new surface is exposed. So the picture diagram A is explained a cross-sectional view of machining process. Diagram B and visual in tool with negative rectangle compare with the positive rectangle in A. Okay. This diagram is explained as the workpiece is initially should maintain the original position, and cutting tool to remove a chip, the new surface is exposed. The cutting tool, sharp edge is cutting edge of tool at the starting of removing surface. Okay. Why machining is important? Variety of work materials can be machined, most frequently used to cut the metals. Next, variety of parts, shapes and special geometric features possible, such as screw thread, accurate round holes, very straight edge and surfaces, good dimensional accuracy and surface finish. So machining is very important. Disadvantages with the machining: wasteful of material. Chips generated in machining are wasted material, at least in unit operation. Time consuming. A machining operation generally takes more time to shape a given part than alternative shaping process such as casting, powder metallurgy or forming. Machining in manufacturing sequence. Machining used in manufacturing process, in alternative work, and in line by line in action, generally performed after other manufacturing process such as casting, forging and bar drawing. Other process create the general shape of starting work part. Machining provides the final shape, dimension, finish, and special geometric details that other process cannot create. Machining in manufacturing sequence. Machining working in manufacturing industry or manufacturing sequence, the following in used table. Place of machining operation. Metallurgical process. Initially metallurgical process is starting material. Metallurgical process. Another metallurgical process subdivided in casting, metal forming, powder metallurgy. That's three involved in material removal process. It's called single part production. That finally assembly, final product. Diagram showing the place of machining operation within the entire production cycle. Initially metallurgical process, starting material, and another steps of working process, casting, metal forming, powder metallurgy, single part production, material removal process. Another finally we have completed in assembly. Okay. Another one topic on machining process, machining operation. Most important machining operation, turning, drilling, milling. Other machining operation, shaping and planing, broaching, sawing. Okay. The machining process we have discussed about the next video. Okay. Now talk about you initially we have to explain the machining process. Okay. Thank you.